To my wisdom walkers, thank you for coming on that journey with me to the Cotswolds. Right now, I'm going to unwind the winds and send all the winds that you've been working with home. I was waiting until people were on their way, people had arrived home, and that the group had kind of unassembled because we were all together and many of us spent the day together yesterday. But I'm going to start with the north wind, Boreas. Boreas, thank you for being with us. And to my virtual walkers at home, thank you for holding space with us in this sacred community. We're so grateful. Boreas and all the winds that we picked this week, I ask you to return to the light with love and all of your lessons intact for us. I'm going to turn to the west and release Zephyrus, the west wind, the wind of the physical, those of us who walked over 50 miles, those of you who carried your own walks last week, those of you who took the first walk in a long time, those of you who have physical ailments that kept you sitting by the side of the window or looking out from a chair. Oh, thank you, Zephyrus, for coming here and holding space for us. I'm calling to the south wind, notice beyond your way, the wind of our emotional needs and desires, for the tears that we shed, for the laughter that we spread. We're grateful for those times, laughing in the park. And for you at home who might have had your own emotional journeys this week as you journeyed with us, we thank notice and send notice home. To the east wind, Eurus, the place of mind, memories, and beliefs. For all the mind work we did thinking about what this virtual walk would look like and what this physical walk would look like, the preparation, our ancestors on the land that we walked. The group that came together to hold space for each other and for all of you at home. New beginnings, the gates that we opened. Ah, Eurus, thank you for being with us. We send you home in a good way, in a good heart and full. Pachamama, sweet Mother Earth, thank you for holding us. Thank you for inviting us onto your land, holding us as we walked across those fields. And for those at home, those fields of your mind, those fields of your own neighborhoods. We take this wisdom home, this knowledge, this container of this earth that holds us and can mulch everything that does not belong to us, and has those gates planted in you so deeply. Such wisdom, such knowledge. Thank you. Mother, Father, Sky, watching over us. We were grateful for the one day of rain and blessed that it did not rain upon us every day with which we walked. But some of you at home may have been rained on or snowed on, or it may have been hot where you were. We're grateful that we all walk together in one community, in one heart, and so it is. Aho.